Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition revision test. Okay, so here fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Put a cross if no article is needed. Okay, so here she is hungry. She wants an apple and a cup of milk. So here the answer is already given. One of the students said the teacher is late today. Okay, so here definite article the will be used. Next, Ima likes to play the guitar. Okay, so you have to use the definite article the. We use definite article the before the musical instrument. Okay, the tabla, the harmonium, the guitar. Okay, so Ima likes to play the guitar. Then next, I bought an umbrella to go out in the rain. Okay, so here indefinite article an is used. Okay, so here definite article the. Clear? Then next here, identify the common, proper and collective nouns in the passage and put them under the correct columns in the table given below. Every day, Uma, do you know your Uma is okay proper noun. Saw Uncle Harun, do you know Uncle Harun, do your Harun is proper noun. The postman, do you know postman is common noun. Okay, carrying a large bunch of letters, do you know bunch of letters, this is a collective noun, but none of her. Her father was in the army. Okay, so you know here the army is common noun. Okay, army can be collective like an army of ants, an army of soldiers. Okay, but in this sentence the army is okay common noun. So she waited for a letter from him. You know letter you can call it is a common. One day she saw a huge flock of birds. So here you know flock of birds collective noun. Towards the north. Okay, so here you know the difference between common and proper. You know proper noun always start with a capital letter, but in the passage you know n is written in okay small letter. She knew they were going to where her father was. She told the birds to meet her father and ask him to here you know birds. Okay, birds is also you know common noun. Clear? Then next, underline the possessive pronouns in these sentences given below. You know the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So here take an example. Okay, this is my book. Okay, this is my book. Do you know this is possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjective, my book. This book is mine. Okay, this book is mine. So you know mine is here possessive pronoun. Okay, not adjective. Similarly, take another example. This is okay. This is your book. Here, your is okay. Possessive adjective. So if any nouns comes after, so you know here book is used as a noun here. So your book. Okay. So here your is possessive adjective. So change into possessive pronoun. This book is yours. Okay. This book is yours. This is possessive pronoun. Clear? So here come to the question here. That car is horse. Do you know horse is okay possessive pronoun, but she can't find her keys. Do you know her keys? You know possessive adjective. Okay, you have to follow the instruction of the question. Just I am telling here how to know the difference between the possessive adjective and also possessive pronoun. Okay, I think this dog is yours. Do you know yours is possessive pronoun. These shoes are theirs, not ours. So here theirs and ours. Okay, possessive pronoun. My sister is a fashion designer. This new design is hers. So you know this is possessive pronoun. That coat is definitely his. So his you know possessive pronoun. This cookie is mine. Clear? So you know here okay mine, my. Okay. Then yours, your. Hers, her. Okay. Ours, our. Theirs, their. Do you know these are pronoun, possessive pronoun. Okay, ours, mine, yours, hers, theirs. These are possessive pronoun. So here my, your, her, our, their. This is you know possessive adjective. Clear? Then next here, circle all the adjectives in the sentences given below. Also underline the nouns they describe. Okay, the large turtle climbed on the brown log. Do you know large adjective? Brown adjective. So your noun you know large turtle, then brown log. There is a beautiful butterfly. So you know here beautiful qualifies the noun butterfly. So here adjective is beautiful and noun you have to underline butterfly. In our front garden, so you know front is adjective, okay, garden you know this is noun. The jacket I bought has a deep pockets. So you know here deep is adjective, okay, pocket you know noun. J and K live in the biggest house on the block. So you know biggest is adjective, house you know noun, okay. So you have to underline the noun and circle the adjective. We sat beneath a colorful. So you know colorful is adjective, okay. Umbrella you know noun. And sipped cold juice. So you know cold is adjective. You have to circle, juice is you know noun. We walked by the narrow stream. So you know narrow is adjective, stream is noun. And collected shiny pebbles. So you know shiny is adjective, pebbles is noun. Have you seen my okay stripped shirt? So you know stripped is adjective, okay, shirt is noun. Then I hung it on the back door. So you know back is adjective and door is noun. Clear? Then next here, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Wait here until I get back. I will visit you when I have the time. Okay. Either you get ready or you stay behind. So either here or. Clear? It's cloudy, so we cannot see the sun. Okay. Both my sister and I can sing well. Both here and. Clear? Then next here, choose the correct prepositions from the box and fill in the blanks. So you know the wind blew through the open window. The ants moved in a line against the wind. They moved towards a plate of sugar. There was some water beside the plate of sugar. For the ants, there was no bridge across the water. They started to talk among themselves. They discussed how they could go over the water. Clear? Then next here, fill in the blanks with the correct auxiliary verb. Dash is studying hard for his exams. Okay, so you know is. Does he know how to cook? Does he know? Okay. Does they ever been here before? Have they ever been? Does we going to see the movie today? Okay. Are we? Then next here fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. So here it happened on a Saturday, the last of the week. Okay. So already here first question answer already provided. Mr. Mahanti dressed. Okay. So here quickly. He ate his breakfast. You know here near. Okay. Near his computer. He was late, so he got into his car and drove dangerously. Okay. Dangerously fast towards his office. Then next he worked okay till late. He does not often go swimming after work, okay, often. But he went swimming that day and felt better, okay. Then next here complete the sentences below using the correct tense of forms. So here every day I eat breakfast. So you know this is a habit, okay, routine life. Breakfast at 7 a.m. but yesterday I skipped it, okay, skipped simple past. The Indian team have played, okay, have the Indian team have a practice a match tomorrow, okay, against Australia. They played, okay, they played their last match against Sri Lanka. The next year I read a story book, okay, so you know I was reading a story book because you know here one action was continuing and at that time another action started rang. So here I was reading a book. I was reading a okay past progressive and here simple past. My parents went to Bangalore last Tuesday. They stayed, okay, they stayed there for a week. Clear? Then next here divide each sentence into its subject and predicate parts. So you know the storm clouds are, so you know this is subject, okay, are getting darker, predicate. Dogs and cats, so dogs and cats, you know this is subject, okay. Then make the best pets, you know, predicate. Nishant is my best friend. So Nishant, you know this is subject, okay, is my best friend, predicate. Both of them, so both of them, you know, subject, are in class 5, predicate. his broken arm, so you know his broken arm is subject, will heal in 2 weeks. Okay, so will heal in 2 weeks, this is predicate. Damini, you know Damini is subject, can play football with us, this is predicate. This playground, you know this playground is subject, has a pool, you know this is predicate. Many children go to the school, go to school here, many children, this is subject, go to school here, this is predicate. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.